That means you can set up no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and even assign specific rooms to be cleaned on specific days, all from your phone, whether you're home or not. Now, let's get into power. This thing is packing a massive 7,000 Pascal suction power, and that's a big deal. To put that into perspective, most high-end robot vacuums operate around 2,500 to 4,000 pascals. So, 7,000 Pascal means the X20 Pro is a beast. It's designed to lift dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors, even deeply embedded dirt that standard vacuums struggle with. But it doesn't stop at vacuuming.
Fucking go fucking subscribe to Uncensored Reviews on YouTube. Trust me, you won't fucking regret it. You fucking